So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11th till the 17th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Aquarius. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. I have the Seven of Cups. This is somebody who feels like there's a lot of confusion, emotional confusion going on in the situation right now. And or this person might be dealing with other people too, or they are trying to keep their options open maybe. Let's clarify before jumping into conclusions. And what is this? Oh, I got a stain here. Mosquito bite. Anyways, let's see. The Seven of Cups has their feelings for you. So I have the Three of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. So this person is feeling like this situation has become so overwhelmingly confusing that they have no choice left but to keep on walking away from the situation, keep on detaching. And this person is feeling like they should remain practical, logical, and cutthroat when it comes to the situation between you and them. They should not get emotional. They should not get all over the place. And they're definitely feeling like moving on is the right choice right now. Okay. So, honey, this is someone who is feeling like moving on from the situation and keeping their options open and looking forward to have better opportunities in the coming future. Okay. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? World card. There's a completion of a cycle. From your side, you guys are feeling like having completion of one cycle. Okay, like closing one chapter, finishing the unfinished businesses, closing one chapter, having a completion of a cycle kind of a deal. Let's clarify the world as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. Let's see. I have the Seven of Wands and the Star card and the King of Cups. You still carry a lot of love and a lot of care and compassionate kind of energy towards something or someone, but you feel like right now this is best for you guys to protect yourself and keep on healing yourself, keep on uh, going in this energy of remaining optimistic and positive to the idea of getting to the right person, right energy at some point of time. You still have a lot of love for this person, for this situation. Okay, you still care for this person, you still have love and emotions, and you feel like even if there is love in the situation, this cycle, this situation needs to be closed, and you just feel like you should just keep moving forward and heal yourself properly. You're not looking for other options right now. You are looking for this energy of coming back to yourself, coming back home. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Pentacles. They just want to get out of this feeling of feeling left out in the cold. They just don't want to feel like this kind of shitty energy, feeling left out in the cold kind of energy. They want to feel okay again. They want to be happy again. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles as their intentions. I have the Page of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Yes, this person wants to start or restart their life all over again. They might be going through some kind of financial issues also, Aquarius. So they want to have a stable base, stable situation, stable life where they are moving forward. They are focusing on themselves, their money, job, career, finances, their looks, their personality, and their happiness. So they want to get up again and be okay again and be happy again in their life. This is what this person wants right now. stability, a lot of stability that is directly or indirectly related to their job, career, finances, energy, and a lot of energy of manifestation where they are doing their best and giving their best, becoming their best version. This is their energy. Right now, their intention is not to come forward or look for reconciliation or something like that. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Four of Swords. You just want to keep yourself detached from the situation, detached and kind of completely out of the situation. Maybe you're not even talking to this person. Even if they are trying to connect with you, you are not even answering them. So you want detachment, deep rooted healing, and this energy of not entertaining the situation, at least for the time being. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as your intentions here. So I have the Judgment, the Five of Swords, the Chariot. Yes, you just want to release this heavy and burdensome kind of energy. You just want to keep moving forward in your life and have a beautiful and positive kind of outcome. Like, you just want to be in this determination kind of energy that no matter what is going to happen and what is not going to happen in the situation anymore between you and this particular person, you are not going to stop for anything or anyone. I'm getting a lot of these things these days. Moles, age, hormones, I don't know what. Anyways, you just don't want to be in this situation where you know you are not going to get anything good in return. So you just want to keep moving forward, okay? Even if from time to time you're going to get this energy of wanting to look back, you just don't want to anymore. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 17th of May. We have the Chariot again. The outcome here is you guys moving forward and not looking back, being in this solid determination kind of energy of no matter what is going to happen next, no matter what is going to happen behind my back, I'm not going to stop for anything or anyone. It's a typical Aquarius energy of if you are going to put your mind on something, you are going to get it done. That's the energy that I'm getting for you guys for this week. Let's clarify the Chariot here. Air sign energy. Okay, my love, come here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Wands. It's like with each passing day, you guys are going to feel like you are getting more and more mentally trapped, more and more mentally entangled in a situation that you don't want to participate in, but you are going to refuse to give up. Even if you are going to have those moments, those very weak moments where you are going to feel like you should do something, you should say something, you should behave um, like a stupid person or something, you guys are going to have very, very strong boundaries, very high energy of I am not going to do shit about the situation because according to me, this situation, this person is dead, gone, like not literally dead, like not in a hateful way, like this situation is done and gone, and I'm not going to run behind anyone, I'm not going to say anything, I'm not going to do anything. This is what it is. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Aquarius. So I have the Four of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Three of Cups. You know, you guys are continuously holding on to this energy that someday me and this person are going to be together. Either this or a specific kind of a person that you have in your vision, in your energy field, right? So if you're going to hold on to something or someone this much tightly, and if you're going to continuously wait for someone to show up in your life, someone or something to show up in your life, the energies are going to get more and more delayed and delayed and delayed. It might not happen exactly the moment you want it. You guys have to release your attachment to the outcome. You guys have to let it go, let it unfold naturally and organically. Whenever it is supposed to happen with with whosoever it is supposed to happen, it will happen eventually. But you guys have to release and let go and stop waiting this much desperately about something or someone to show up in your life, whether it's a specific person or a specific kind of person, right? Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. Let's see. Choose a new direction. Okay, this card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. So, yeah, this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.